Hold on now. I'm gonna roll this thing back. This is also just not a straight part. Wow. Now since Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I laid this beautiful chocolate wig, just keep watching. And while you're here, remember to subscribe and like and leave a comment down below and let me know what you liked about this look. Alright, I'm going to start off by taking my Easy Edges Edge Control Gel. I'm just going to put that all over my edges just to slick them back. So I'm just gonna brush those back to make sure they don't get in the way of the bald cap. Lately, what I've been liking to do is leave my sideburns out because they do come really long, like they come down pretty far. My sister did this one time when she installed my wig and it was a game changer. I can't lie. So I like to just like take from right above my ear, honestly, but not really taking too much from the braid, of course, but I like to just, ow. Okay, so I'm just gonna take an alcohol pad and wipe my hairline. Okay, so next I'm gonna take my stocking cap and place it on my head, trying to make sure that we keep those hairs bike. Alright, so now I'm going to take my Ghost Bond Classic. Gonna place the glue following my natural hairline. So now I'm just gonna spray that bike. I always forget to take my ears out, like always. And then I'm like, wait a second. So I'm glad I remembered. Now, because I'm kind of pressed for time, of course, I'm going to take my blow dryer and just dry it. While that's still tacky, it's not all the way dry, but I'm just gonna go over it with some Got2b and smooth that out. And this is really just gonna lock it in, make sure we don't have much lifting. Back in with the draw. It still has a bit more to dry, but we can go ahead and move on. I'm gonna take my airbrush legs in Deep Glow by Sally Hansen, and I'm going to just spray, blend it out with a makeup sponge. Now, I definitely should have did this before, but I don't think it'll be a problem since we did it. But we're just gonna see. So now I'm going to cut it. So now that we have a rough sketch of how we want the bald cap to kind of be cut, I'm gonna take this. I've already sprayed it with the lace tint or the airbrush legs. Now since, all right, everything is coming into form. We're just gonna roll this back. I like to roll the frontal back as opposed to just sliding it back, because I think it's easier to just roll it back and place it where you want it to be, because you just had it there. Once again, I'm just gonna go back and just remove any excess. I'm gonna take this bronzer I have. It's a lot darker, and let's see what that does. Now I'm gonna go back in with another alcohol pad and just clean off the hairline again, because we're gonna put the wig on. About to lay it down. Back with our Ghost Bond, and we're just gonna dot it up. It's pretty much dry after just spraying it out after the first one. So I'm just gonna go ahead with a quick second layer. So she's on. I'm gonna have to add powder, of course. I'm gonna be taking this pretty brown shade from the Chocolates palette by Juvia's Place, and it's this one right here. I'm going to put my elastic band on. I really should just get a new one, because this one, like, it starts to unravel and stuff. I could just burn it, but we both know I'm not doing that. So in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and style. All right, so we're finally to the, like, I was gonna say the consistency, like the texture, like how silky I want it to be. So I just wanted to go ahead and take off the elastic band. This is what it's looking like. These are my hairs. Now I'm just going to take some concealer and clean up this part a little bit. As I'm editing, I'm just now realizing that the part was just not in the middle of my head at all. Like, what? I'm just gonna do some final touch-ups, put some clothes on, and then I'll see y'all when I come back. All right, so it's been like 15-20 minutes. I burned the crap out of my forehead with the hot comb, but let's just see how we're looking. Ooh. She's flat, she's sleek. No cap, I'm feeling this. It's flat. Okay, so this is the finished look, you guys. I really am happy with how it turned out. Like, I've never really worn wigs like that until recently, so I'm excited to keep trying, progress, like just keep doing it, because I feel like this looks pretty good for somebody who don't do it. I did it. If you guys like this tutorial, if you learned something, if you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe so you can see more cool stuff from me. I'm excited. I'm just excited. Comment down below and let me know what you liked about it. If I did anything similar to you, like similar to what you do when you put your wigs on, or if you have a tip or something, let me know down below. Be sure to look out for new content soon, and remember to be kind to people for no reason. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.